Ooh, satisfying. And it's not gonna be cute. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Maryam, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a current roundup of my hits and misses of makeup and beauty. I'm gonna be talking about my favorite products of the month and also my not so favorite products of the month. The reason why I'm doing this is because I receive a lot of products on the daily. I wanna try them before you buy them, so please don't buy until I try. Hopefully these types of videos can save you a lot of trouble and some money. Let's get to this video. Remember to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next video. Let's do this. Let's start strong with this Kogendo, not sure how to pronounce that, Aqua foundation. A few years back, when I first learned about this foundation, they actually didn't have too many shades, so there wasn't a shade that really truly matched me. So now they have this shade called 143. 143, get it? I love you. Hashtag 143. And this one matches me perfectly. I just recently rediscovered this foundation while I was filming with my friend Melissa Alatorre for her channel, and we did a makeup bag swap. This was in her makeup bag. I grabbed it. I loved it. It is truly buildable in the very sense of the word. Ends up looking really, really natural even if you apply 2 or 3 layers. I recommend it to you guys. I hope you get to try it. Also in the foundation category, I am currently loving this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is another oldie but goodie. I wasn't always in love with it. Reason being is because I could never truly find my shade. But a couple of years ago, I went to an Estee Lauder event, and it was like an influencer event where it was a bunch of us. We got shade matched at the event. So my true match at the time was somewhere between Rattan 2W2 and Tawny 3W1. When I applied either Tawny or Rattan, it went on really nice and kind of like yellow in the undertone, but it oxidized so pink that I couldn't even take a selfie with it. That's how bad it was. Here's what I came to find out. I am in fact a 3W 1.5 Fawn, which is a half step above Tawny. This one, when you swatch it, does not match my skin tone at all. However, when it oxidizes like this. I am a big fan, and I'm gonna continue recommending this to you guys. I have another favorite foundation in this month's hits and misses, and you guessed it, JOUER Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. The reason why I'm loving it, particularly this month, is because it's October and I've been doing a lot of Halloween looks. This foundation is truly exceptionally full coverage. It's probably the most full coverage foundation that I own outside of the Inglot full coverage foundation. JOUER's is a little bit more liquidy, and I feel like it's easier to play with because it literally eliminates your actual skin tone and it gives you a brand new one. It's great for Halloween, but it's also great if you have some serious skin conditions that need to be covered up. I recommend it. I love it. And here I have the PR package with all the shades, tiny bottles, which I appreciate, go JOUER. But the full size is a normal size like this Kogendo. Get your hands on it if you're in need of a really full coverage foundation. Similarly, I've also been loving JOUER's Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I've also been using them for Halloween looks. They do the job. They get the job done. They cover everything and then some. I like what JOUER is doing with this. Thumbs up and kudos to them. Let's talk about some products that I'm currently not loving. My favorite part, because you know I am Team Truth, and I just need to let you guys know how I feel. This is a category of makeup that I find just a little bit gimmicky, and I don't want this to become a trend. I am talking about none other than these godforsaken illuminating / luminous translucent setting powders. No, no, and no. So I have this one here from Dermablend. I have another one from Laura Mercier. Both of these are brands of translucent setting powder that I love. However, I prefer and I love their original formula. This I do not understand. These powders are basically a very poorly pigmented highlighter that would only look good on flawless skin, like my sister's, who is 11. I know a couple of influencers who have this type of skin. Ellery is one of those people. Her skin is just like yogurt. You want to eat it with a spoon. That's how perfect it is. Honestly, let me know if I'm wrong. Please comment below and give me 3 reasons why I should side with you. Ooh. I want to talk about this new product that I am currently loving. I didn't think I was going to love it. I am talking about this Amore Pacific bronzer. Most Korean skincare brands are known for whitening the skin. They're not really known for bronzing it. So when I learned that there is a bronzer in their summer collection, I was like, whoa, this is going to be so not pigmented. However, after I tried this bronzer, I was pleasantly surprised at how truly golden and truly bronzy it actually came off on the skin. I even like this little brush that comes along with it. It's not like the most pigmented bronzer you'll ever encounter, but I think for a Korean skincare brand, this is pretty nice. Also, it's very, very smooth and it gives you just enough sheen to give you that really nice sun-kissed, believable glow. So now let's talk about some favorite palettes for the month. I went inside my palettes drawer. It was hard for me to pick some favorite palettes because usually this is my criteria. How often do I reach for this palette? Is it user-friendly? Is it like something that people will want to gravitate towards? Is it versatile? And then I thought to myself, why don't I just go for the two palettes that I've been reaching for the most? Pat McGrath, pretty pricey, Mothership palette. It has a lot of very unique shades. A lot of these are very, very shimmery, very, very glittery, and they're just beautifully crafted. Boom. There hasn't been a day that I've gone out to an event or a dinner or to a meeting where I didn't reach for this and didn't somehow apply it on my face. The mattes are really impressive as well. I gotta give it to Pat McGrath. She creates some bomb products. I mean, she is an amazing lady. She is a queen. This has been a favorite. Another palette that I've been loving this season is the Friendcation palette from DESI x KATY, collab with Dose of Colors. This is another gorgeous, stunning palette with beautiful mattes, with beautiful sparkly shimmery shades that are very unique, I would say, especially to Dose of Colors. Very pretty and very, very, very impressive. I love the fact that there is a nice pop of color here. Quality is amazing, it's outstanding. I just want to keep on wearing this. And yeah, support fellow influencers and a makeup brand that was started by an influencer, Makeup by Anna. She was a makeup artist, she was an influencer, and now she's a brand owner and she makes fantastic products. Highly, highly impressive stuff. I don't have any palettes that I'm not liking this time around just because it's Halloween month and I've been using a lot of products that I love. So that's why I don't have a fail palette. However, I do have some fail eyeshadow glitters. I am talking about these Too Faced liquid eyeshadow glitters from their Tutti Frutti collection, which I also reviewed earlier in the year. You guys know how much I love those glitter eyeshadows from Stila, from PIXI, and from Pop Beauty. Because their collections are very small, they are also very limited in their colors. So when Too Faced came out with these, naturally I gravitated towards this turquoise. Stila or PIXI or Pop don't have a turquoise like this. I was so hoping that this would work. Sadly, it did not, and I really should just give up on these. There is way too much liquid in these. This will ruin your powder eyeshadow. It doesn't have that satisfaction. It's not satisfying, sorry. I have an unfavored product this month from one of my favorite brands. I'm hoping that it'll provide some positive, constructive criticism. I'm talking about Flower Beauty. Yes, guys, it's happened. And it is this new collection of perfumes that are called Pretty Deadly. I had so much excitement when I received these in the mail. I was just left so disappointed. This red one right here, Narcissus Fatale, it smells like something that an 11-year-old wear. Not a sophisticated, glam, experienced woman like Drew Barrymore, who is the owner of Flower Beauty. I just wasn't a fan of this. I thought it smelled like Victoria's Secret. And not to say that Victoria's Secret isn't great, but let's face it, they're not the pinnacle of sophistication. This one right here, Jasmine Venom, this smells like deodorant. And I don't wear deodorant. This one, however, the third one, Lethal Oleander, I like. I have another product that I want to talk to you guys about, and it is this beauty roller from Madonna's new skincare line called MDNA Skin. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think this product is going to be a hit or a miss. I haven't talked about this product yet on social media, so there's no way you could possibly know what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you in suspense any longer. I am going to tell you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. This $200 beauty roller from Madonna's skincare line, MDNA Skin, is my current favorite for the month. Yes! Oh yes. Oh yes. The reason why I love this product so much is because it works. It actually does something really magical and different to your face and to your body. I am just gonna pull up some notes. This MDNA roller is a natural, battery-free, first of its kind contouring kind of tool, and it harnesses the benefits of ultra-infrared energy powered by high-density carbon. These spheres that you see here are made out of carbon. So basically what you do is you roll your skin and you roll the muscles on your face upwards and downwards. You can also roll your arms, you can also roll your legs, your cellulite, even your waist. And what it does is it promotes lymphatic drainage, it resurfaces fine lines and texture on your skin, it lifts and contours the skin. It could also be used on the body, like in the fatty areas, to help break down cellulite. Also, if you're applying skincare products, it helps to better penetrate the product. So it's kind of a multi-use massage type of tool. I am not lying when I tell you guys I see results. The best part is that my mom was actually away. She was away for a month, she was traveling, and the day after she came back, I went to her house. My mom literally thought that I had work done. And I couldn't attribute it to anything. I'm like, Mom, I'm not doing anything different. No, I swear to God, I have not gotten work done. That's not who I am. You know that about me. Plug in my 10 random facts secrets revealed video right here. And then it hit me. It's this MDNA beauty roller. It has lifted my skin and it just made it a lot more smooth and a lot more tight. And I've even been using it here on my arms and in my cellulite areas, like in my inner thighs, even in my waist. I honestly didn't want it to work because I don't like recommending product that isn't affordable. Fortunately and unfortunately, it is a keeper. The holidays are right around the corner, so put this on your Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa wish list, Thanksgiving, I don't know, whatever you celebrate, New Year's. Ask your significant other for this beauty roller. So speaking of gadgets and tools, I have, sadly, a miss. I am talking about this Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment. Basically, what this product is a red and blue light that's supposed to heal your acne, or it's supposed to reduce inflammation without actually burning. Supposedly it says that it is also clinically proven. However, my skin has been outbreaking. It's been a stressful month, plus I've been doing a lot of Halloween looks, so I've been wearing a lot more makeup than I usually do. I've been testing out this device. When I tell you that this makes absolutely no difference in my skin, if anything, it just takes more time in my beauty routine because you actually have to hold it on every spot for 2 minutes, I am not lying. Yes, this is somewhat an affordable product, so it's kind of better than going to a dermatologist for this light therapy type of treatment. However, it's a missed opportunity. I remember back in the day when I was a college student making $0, I used to break out pretty heavily. So I would go to the drugstore. If I would have seen this at that time, I would have probably picked this up and I would have wasted $25 and it wouldn't have worked. I hope you guys don't make the same mistake. I wish there was a way to try these types of products at the drugstore and maybe rent them. This didn't do anything, so I'm not gonna be using it any further. I am so excited this month for liquid lips. This month, I am obsessing over these Fenty Beauty Stunna liquid lipsticks. I'm wearing this one right here, uncuffed. And I was wearing this one right here unbuttoned in my Jasmine video, and I am just dying to put this black one to use and also this brown one. So obsessed, great formula, very comfortable on the lips, no cracking, no peeling, just awesome. You guys know how much I love the formula of PIXI's liquid lipsticks. They finally came out with some colors, yay! A berry tone, they have a red, they have a coral red, they have this really, really, really pretty purpley pink sort of color, and they also have a really, really fair nude, which is great for lighter skin tones. Finally, they have more colors. I literally want like 60 shades. You know, 11's not bad. That brings us to the end of the video, you guys. I am gonna say goodbye and a cheers with my cerveza over here. Cheers! Don't forget to check out some of my other videos. I have some Halloween looks. I have more faves and fails. If you are into these types of videos, then you need to check out my other faves and fails. Also hits and misses. So I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Mwah! Bye!